Depression can be a serious mental health issue, but there are ways to manage the symptoms and improve your overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore some coping strategies that you can use to deal with depression on a daily basis. First, getting small goals for yourself can help you feel accomplished and motivated. This could be as simple as making your bed or going for a walk around the block. Second, getting moving can help improve your mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Exercise has been shown to be a great way to boost your mood and energy. Even a 10-minute walk can make a difference. Third, eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruit, vegetables, and lean protein can help improve your overall mood and energy levels. Practicing self-care can help you prioritize your mental health. This can be anything from taking a relaxing bath to spending time with a loved one. Fifth, reaching out for support is crucial when dealing with depression. Talking to a trusted friend or family member can help you feel less alone and more supported. You can also seek professional help from a therapist or a mental health provider. These are just few coping strategies that you can try to manage your depression on a daily basis. Remember, it's important to seek professional help if your symptoms are interfering with your daily life. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.